I bet you didn't know about Tasmania's hidden wonders. This island is home to the Gordon-Franklin River, a marvel of nature and unique mineral deposits found nowhere else on Earth. Its towering sea cliffs, vast clear sand beaches, and unique bays and mountains create a landscape like no other, a true Garden of Eden. Our planet holds secrets buried deep beneath layers of time. These secrets whisper of a past far more tumultuous than we ever imagined. A past punctuated by cataclysmic events that reshaped continents, ignited volcanoes, and extinguished entire species in the blink of an eye. For centuries, these whispers have been carried on the winds of time, preserved in ancient myths and the weathered stones of forgotten civilizations. Chan Thomas's Adam and Eve story speaks of such cataclysms where floods and celestial events reset the course of human history. These tales, etched in ancient texts, remind us of the fragile balance between Earth and the cosmos.
Am I the only one that didn't know Tasmania's formation can be traced back to apocalypses described in biblical times? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover these hidden truths. We will delve into a realm where science and ancient wisdom intersect, where geological evidence aligns with biblical prophecy. Prepare to challenge everything you thought you knew about Earth's history, for we are about to explore a revolutionary hypothesis: the cyclical nature of global cataclysm. Stay with us as we unravel these mysteries and reveal the secrets that could change our understanding of the world forever.
Imagine a world transformed in an instant, a world where the very fabric of nature is altered beyond recognition, a world where lush landscapes are swallowed by rising seas, where forests that once teemed with life are now submerged under relentless waves and mountains crumble under their own weight, their majestic peaks reduced to rubble and dust. The very air crackles with unimaginable energy as electrical storms rage and lightning splits the sky with ferocious intensity. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a stark reality that has visited our planet countless times before. Ancient cities have been wiped off the map, entire civilizations lost to the annals of history. Through groundbreaking scientific discoveries and a fresh look at ancient texts, we're beginning to piece together the puzzle of these catastrophic events. We will unravel the mysteries of these cyclical cataclysms, understanding how they have shaped the world we live in today. We will explore the evidence etched into Earth's crust, examining geological layers and fossils that tell the story of our planet's turbulent past, and we will delve into the collective memory of humanity, preserved in ancient cave paintings, historical artifacts, and cultural heritage sites. Fasten your seatbelts, for the journey ahead promises to be both enlightening and profoundly unsettling. We will traverse time and space, uncovering the secrets of our planet's ancient knowledge and gaining a new perspective on the forces that have shaped our world.
For too long, mainstream science has clung to a uniformitarian view of Earth's past, a slow, gradual process of change unfolding over eons. This perspective, while valuable, may not tell the whole story of our planet's history. But what if this view is incomplete? What if there are missing pieces to the puzzle that we have yet to fully understand? What if it fails to account for the catastrophic events that have left their indelible mark on our planet? Events that have occurred suddenly and with great force, altering the course of history in an instant. Recent discoveries in fields like geology, archaeology, and astronomy are painting a very different picture. These findings suggest that Earth's history is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we once thought. A picture of a dynamic and volatile Earth, shaped by both gradual change and sudden catastrophic events. These events have the potential to reshape landscapes, create new ecosystems, and even drive evolutionary changes. These events, often triggered by celestial objects colliding with our planet, have the power to reshape continents, alter climates, and extinguish life on a global scale. The evidence is all around us, in the form of craters, fossil records, and ancient ruins. By studying these clues, we can gain a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped our world and continue to influence it today.
From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountain peaks, the evidence of these cataclysms is all around us. We see it in the shattered remnants of ancient civilizations, buried beneath layers of sediment. We find it in the fossil record, which tells a tale of mass extinctions and rapid evolutionary leaps. And we witness it in the very structure of our planet, where massive impact, craters and tectonic upheavals bear silent witness to a turbulent past.
By piecing together these clues, we can begin to reconstruct the timeline of these cataclysmic events. We can map their impact on Earth's geography, climate, and life itself. And perhaps most importantly, we can begin to understand the cyclical nature of these events, a pattern that stretches back to the dawn of time and hints at a potentially catastrophic future.
For centuries, the stories passed down through generations have spoken of floods, fires, and earth-shattering upheavals. These tales, often dismissed as myths or legends, may hold the key to understanding Earth's true history. From the flood narratives found in cultures across the globe to the biblical accounts of plagues and celestial wonders, ancient texts are replete with descriptions that eerily mirror the effects of global cataclysms. Could these stories be more than mere allegory? Could they be echoes of real events passed down through generations as a warning from the past?
By examining these ancient texts through the lens of modern science, we uncover a startling possibility that our ancestors possessed a profound understanding of Earth's cyclical nature, an understanding that was lost or suppressed over time, leaving us blind to the lessons of the past. Join us now as we embark on a thrilling exploration of Earth's hidden history. Together, we will delve into the mysteries of the North Pole impact, the secrets of the Rishat structure, and the geological wonders of Tasmania.
A world remade. Our journey begins at the top of the world, in the heart of the Arctic Circle.
Mammoths and mastodons roamed the warming plains, and early humans were establishing their first settlements. Then, suddenly, without warning, the planet plunged back into a deep freeze. Temperatures plummeted, glaciers advanced, and the delicate balance of life on Earth was thrown into chaos.
What could have triggered such a dramatic reversal of the warming trend? The answer, according to our hypothesis, lies in the heavens. We propose that a massive asteroid, perhaps several kilometers in diameter, collided with Earth during this critical period. The impact site, the North Pole.
Picture the scene. A colossal chunk of space rock, carrying with it the unimaginable energy of 1,000 suns hurtling towards our planet. Its trajectory, a collision course with the North Pole. The impact would have been unlike anything witnessed in human memory. But the immediate devastation was just the beginning. The impact would have ejected trillions of tons of molten rock and superheated dust into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and plunging the planet into darkness. This global shroud of debris would have had a devastating impact on life, disrupting plant growth, decimating animal populations, and pushing human civilizations to the brink of collapse. The North Pole impact, we believe, was not merely a destructive event, but a catalyst for profound change. The evidence for this cataclysmic impact event, while buried beneath layers of ice, is beginning to surface. Scientists studying ice cores from Greenland have discovered a layer of melted rock and nanodiamonds dating back to the Younger Dryas boundary, telltale signs of an impact event of extraordinary magnitude. Furthermore, geological formations across the globe bear witness to the devastating power of the North Pole impact. From the Carolina Bays elliptical depressions scattered across the southeastern United States, to the enigmatic patterns etched into the bedrock of the Sahara Desert, the fingerprints of this ancient cataclysm are all around us.
These geological anomalies, often dismissed as the result of more mundane processes, hold secrets that are waiting to be uncovered. They are not just random formations, but are clues to a much larger story. When we examine them through the lens of our hypothesis, they take on new significance. They become silent testaments to the unimaginable forces unleashed by the North Pole impact, forces that were so powerful they reshaped the very continents we live on today. These forces didn't just move mountains, they altered the course of rivers, created new landscapes, and left their mark on the very fabric of our planet. The evidence is all around us, hidden in plain sight, waiting for those who know where to look. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Younger Dryas, a period marked by sudden climatic shifts and mass extinctions, we uncover even more evidence to support our claim. The extinction of megafauna, those giant creatures that once roamed the Earth, is a key piece of the puzzle. The sudden rise of agriculture, which seems to have sprung up almost overnight in various parts of the world, is another clue. And even the origins of certain myths and legends, stories passed down through generations, may hold kernels of truth about this cataclysmic event. All of these seemingly disparate threads begin to weave together a compelling tapestry of a world forever changed by a cosmic impact. This is not just a story of destruction, but also one of rebirth and transformation, as humanity adapted and thrived in the aftermath.
The North Pole impact, while catastrophic in its immediate effects, ultimately paved the way for the world we know today. The Younger Dryas, triggered by this impact, forced human societies to adapt and innovate, ultimately leading to the development of agriculture and the rise of civilization. The impact also played a crucial role in shaping Earth's geography. The massive shock waves would have triggered volcanic eruptions and seismic activity across the globe, causing immense tidal waves over far north Queensland, reshaping the coastal landscape and contributing to the formation of the Great Barrier Reef. The North Pole impact, then, was not merely a destructive event, but a transformative one. It was a reset button, pushing Earth's systems into overdrive and setting in motion a chain of events that would ultimately lead to the emergence of the world as we know it. But the story of the North Pole impact is not just a tale of the distant past. The Eye of the Sahara, a cosmic enigma, unveiling the secrets of the Richat structure. Echoes of Atlantis myth and reality collide. A global cataclysm, connecting the dots.
Imagine gazing down from space and beholding a colossal bullseye etched into the Earth's crust. A series of concentric rings, spanning almost 50 kilometers in diameter, radiate outward from a central dome, like ripples frozen in time. This is the Richat structure, a geological enigma that defies easy explanation.
But what if the answer, as we propose, lies not within the Earth but beyond the stars? We believe the Richat structure is the indelible mark of a cataclysmic cosmic impact, an event that not only scarred the Earth's surface, but also left its fingerprints on the very fabric of human mythology.
The concentric rings, we believe, were formed by shock waves radiating outward from the impact point, similar to the ripples created by a stone dropped in water. These shock waves would have melted and displaced vast quantities of rock, creating the distinctive circular patterns we see today. Furthermore, the presence of shocked quartz, a type of mineral formed only under intense pressure, such as that generated by a cosmic impact, provides further evidence to support our claim. These tiny crystals, scattered throughout the Richat structure, are silent witnesses to the unimaginable forces unleashed by the impact event. But the Richat structure holds even more secrets. The central dome, we believe, was formed by the rebound of the Earth's crust after the initial impact. Imagine a drop of water splashing back up after hitting a hard surface. In a similar fashion, the Earth's crust would have sprung back up after being compressed by the impact, creating the central uplift we see today. The geological evidence then paints a clear picture. The Richat structure is the result of a massive cosmic impact, an event that would have had profound consequences for the surrounding region and potentially for the entire planet. The Richat structure's unique size, shape, and location have led some to speculate that it may be the long-lost city of Atlantis, described by the Greek philosopher Plato as a powerful island nation swallowed by the sea. While the idea of Atlantis being a real place has often been dismissed as a myth, the Richat structure's concentric rings and central dome bear a striking resemblance to Plato's descriptions of the city's layout. Could the Richat structure be the physical remnant of this legendary civilization, forever scarred by the same cataclysm that brought about its downfall? In this section, we explore the intriguing connections between biblical events and cosmic phenomena. Some scholars suggest that a smaller meteor impact during Passover could explain the destruction of many biblical cities. The seismic waves from this impact might have taken 7 days to subside. Additionally, the moon's formation could be linked to the meteor's density, with the main ejector emerging near Antarctica. This theory explains why Earth's material is not present on the moon, as it was pulverized and turned into magma at the ejection point. The impact also created a hotspot below Antarctica, mirroring the energy of the meteor impact on the opposite side. This event could explain a nuclear-like explosion near the Red Sea, possibly linked to the biblical story of Sodom and Gomorrah. The salt plains in the region might be the result of ejecta from another cosmic event, potentially marked by Passover. Recent research into original Jewish Bibles suggests that the death and birth of Jesus were connected to a year starting with the first full moon of March or April, aligning with Passover. Some scholars believe Jesus was born on April 6, 1 BC, and died 33 years later on a full moon in March. This theory posits that the Bible was created to connect the old world with the new, marking a significant transformation in history. As we delve deeper into these cosmic connections, we uncover a tapestry of events that intertwine our past with the vastness of the universe, urging us to reconsider the narratives we've long held as truth. I bet you didn't know Tasmania's tumultuous transformation is a tale of shockwaves and spiral eddies creating its unique heart shape. Its rolling mountains, dolerite columns, sea cliffs of Tasman Island, the nut and the pure white sands of the east and west coast can be explained as having occurred in a short period of time, 7 days to 40 days and not millions of years. This also explains its deep sea trenches and other unique structures found nowhere else, including endless bays. The evidence suggests a dramatic and rapid transformation, challenging our understanding of geological processes. As we piece together these fragments of Earth's tumultuous past, Tasmania stands as a testament to the power and unpredictability of cataclysmic events. It beckons us to delve deeper, to question the conventional narratives, and to seek the truths hidden within the layers of our planet's history. In the wake of such revelations, we are reminded of the fragility and resilience of our world. The scars of ancient upheavals serve as both a warning and a source of wonder, urging us to continue our quest for knowledge and to protect the delicate balance of our environment. As we move forward, let us carry with us the lessons of the past, recognizing that the mysteries we unravel today will shape the understanding and preservation of our world for generations to come. The dolerite columns, formed like Vegemite worms, emerged as pressures caused instant volcanoes to erupt in Tasmania. Weak spots akin to holes in Jats crackers allowed lower density rock to be pushed out in threads, creating these unique formations. The high pressures needed to explain Tasmania's unique topography reveal its true heartbeat, ripples etched in time. A map of Tasmania shows these telltale ripples emanating between and creating the Gordon and Franklin river systems. Its rich mineral deposits, found nowhere else, give us the clues to finally unify its path and that of the entire world. The pyramids in Cairo and Bosnia were caused by the intersection of standing waves from a cataclysmic event. The sands in the Sahara were compressed into quartz in the shape of a pyramid, with a substructure of cracked sandstone made by nature, not by man. The ancients, who had wisdom, recognized these patterns and left them behind as clues. Göbekli Tepe was not purposely filled by humans, but was instantly buried by cyclical eddies raging beneath the Earth's crust. This might be the real reason why they stopped excavating and instead of filling it back up with concrete. When viewed from above instead of from the side, The pyramids of Giza and Bosnia show a spiral formation, challenging our traditional views of how they were built and suggesting they were generated by nature. This also pulls in the underground Sahara pyramids. The intricate patterns and formations we see today are not mere coincidences, but are etched by the hands of nature itself. As we continue to unearth these ancient mysteries, we are compelled to rethink the origins of these monumental structures. Could it be that the forces of the earth itself, in its most violent moments, have left behind these enigmatic symbols? The answers lie not just in the stones, but in the very fabric of our planet's turbulent past. Let us journey further, exploring the hidden patterns and forces that have shaped our world, and, in turn, our understanding of history. The secrets of the pyramids, the buried mysteries of Göbekli Tepe, and the sands of the Sahara all beckon us to look deeper, to question, and to discover the truths that lie beneath the surface. Tasmania has a very special energy. It has heart and soul, which you can feel in your bones. It's not just the cold, it's an energy that is reflected in the people and the endless beauty about it. Perhaps Tasmania was born out of the energy of creation from destruction. Let's go on a treasure hunt to find out why Tasmania has so much heart and energy. As we traverse its rugged landscapes, we'll uncover the unique geological formations that hint at a tumultuous past. From the ancient dolerite columns of the Tasman Peninsula to the serene bays of the Freycinet Peninsula, each natural wonder tells a story of cataclysmic forces that have shaped this land. We'll delve into the rich cultural heritage of the indigenous Palawa people, whose deep connection to the land has been passed down through generations. Their stories and traditions offer a glimpse into the spiritual essence of Tasmania, an essence that continues to resonate today. Join us on this journey as we explore the hidden energies and mysteries of Tasmania, a garden of Eden to soothe the soul. Come on down and feel it in your bones. It's not just the cold, it's the pulse of an ancient land that beckons us to discover its secrets.